1954 Dodge truck. It was actually used for telephone service. It's got a telephone bed on the back, what's left of it. I do have another telephone bed that goes with it, with a bunch of old telephones from the 50s and 60s. We replaced the door had a dent in it. It is mostly all there. Like I said, what's left of the bed. It's good to save maybe the fenders off of it, but the other telephone bed is pretty solid. It's a little bit darker green, it's more of an olive drab. There is no papers on this truck. I'll take $1,000 for it. The emblems on the truck and the grill are worth more than what I'm asking for the truck, along with the windshield. You can give me a call at 505-239-2588. Thanks.